Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox links on mobile. Roblox links provide a convenient way to jump directly into games, view items, or join groups within the mobile application. Before you begin, make sure the Roblox app is already installed on your device and that you are logged into your Roblox account. These links typically start with the standard roblox.com address, making them easy to recognize and utilize for quick access to content. When you encounter a Roblox link, perhaps in a chat or on a web page, simply tapping on it should usually trigger a prompt. This prompt will ask if you wish to open the link using the Roblox application. Confirming this will seamlessly launch the app and take you straight to the linked game or item. If the app doesn't open automatically, a simple workaround is to copy the link and paste it directly into your mobile browser's address bar. If you're experiencing trouble with links not opening correctly, there are a few steps you can take. First, check your mobile device's settings to ensure that Roblox is designated as the default application for handling its specific links. Sometimes, clearing your mobile browser's cache and cookies can resolve minor conflicts. As a last resort, uninstalling and then reinstalling the Roblox application can often fix persistent linking issues, ensuring a smooth experience. Sharing your favorite Roblox experiences with friends is straightforward. Within the Roblox app, navigate to the game or item you wish to share. Look for the share icon, which typically generates a direct link. You can then copy this link and paste it into any messaging app or social media platform. Always exercise caution and verify the legitimacy of any Roblox link before clicking it, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.